Okay foodies, today we're making creamy mushroom and sausage pasta, so let's jump right in.
Step 1. You want to toss your sausages into a hot wok with a splash of oil. Let them sizzle and do their thing. But wait, what's this? A swimming pool of liquid? Nah, no problem. Just sprinkle in some flour to thicken it up. Boom, problem solved.
Over in Panland, we've got some garlic and onions getting all golden and fabulous. When they're translucent and smelling like magic, it's time to invite the sautéed mushrooms and sausages to the party. Teamwork makes the dream work. Now, back to our trusty wok. Add some oil and butter because why not both? Stir in a little flour and whisk it like it owes you money. Slowly pour in some milk while stirring and watch it transform into a smooth, creamy sauce. Yes, it's as satisfying as it looks. Time to take it up a notch. Cream, mozzarella cheese, a sprinkle of salt, and some black pepper. This sauce is giving luxury vibes right here. Add a splash of pasta water. Trust me, the pasta water is the unsung hero here. It ties everything together. Bring it all together, toss in your sautéed garlic, onions, mushroom, and sausages. Then invite your cooked pasta to join the creamy goodness. Mix it up like you're a pasta DJ spinning the ultimate track. Finish with a sprinkle of red chili flakes and oregano. Taste test? Absolutely necessary. Garnish with even more chili flakes because spice is life. Serve hot and watch it disappear faster than you can say creamy pasta dreams. That is it. Creamy mushroom and sausage pasta done and dusted. Simple, indulgent, and guaranteed to make your taste buds dance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, till next time. Bye!